Welcome everyone for the part 3 of this Fibonacci extension video. I believe you have already watched the part 1 and part 2 of the Fibonacci extension. If you have not watched it, make sure to first watch the part 1 and 2 of the video. The link is available in the descriptions. So you will understand how I am marking what is the follow through of this video series going on. So, let's take in one more example. What if price closed here? Next day open is flat. That means price opening above previous day's midpoint. So type 1 has to be checked more for marking. Type 1 के हिसाब से low, high and the nearest rejection from the bulls. So we have 0 level 0.618 and 1 level is still far away. So extension is on the upside. But यहाँ पे scenario is different. Price is reversing straight back down and यहाँ पे there is no other Fibonacci extension level. What is the scenario here? This is where if there is no extension, there are different ways you can focus on any other approach of price action to understand. No, if you want any simplest way, VWAP. VWAP is more simplest way. Type 1 के हिसाब से if price trading more below 0 levels, that means more invitation is there for the bearish players as it is type 1. That is the reason don't get confused with type 1 and 2. Watch the previous videos to understand more better. So यहाँ पे clear intention price easily crossing sellers. So यहाँ पे very clear intention bearish players price below 0, price below VWAP. More bearish players trying to show intention. Price trying to move up, down, up, again downside action. Now, how it can be more used in terms of 0 levels, price below 0 levels, way far away. But yesterday price action, price is inside yesterday's range. Yesterday bulls dominated. यहाँ पे sellers trying to come down. We have yesterday's bulls. That means both this area is probably kind of an area sellers coming from higher levels, bulls came in from the lower levels. Fight area. Area of fight in between this. Because यहाँ से sellers trying to come. Here we have bulls of yesterday. They can come. यहाँ पे again everything goes in terms of the probability. यहाँ पे calmness is more important to understand the direction using VWAP. More price trading below VWAP, trying to stay below VWAP. Bearish players are more trying to show intention. And there was one attempt from the bulls trying to move up, but failed to cross 0 level, again came down. Bearish players more trying to dominate. Slowly price going towards above VWAP. Price trying to take a support rejection with a bullish candle formation. Bulls showing strength. First time. यहाँ पे bulls made an attempt, not able to cross 0. Sellers reverse back down. First time bulls taking a support from the VWAP, going above the 0 levels. Sometimes when Fibonacci extension, as I mentioned, it's an additional confirmation. It is not only one confirmation. That is where VWAP combination can give some more clue if slight confusion is there, or extension pay we don't have any reference level. That could be one good approach. And one more example, big gap up, close, big gap up, straight away price shooting up like anything. Gap up के बाद एकदम से price starts trading here, closing here. Extension is on the upside. Price opening above previous day's midpoint, but still beyond 1 levels. I'm not using any more Fibonacci extension level so far in this video series beyond 1 or below 0. So what's the scenario? Price coming back to the 1 levels. Just try to see 0.681. What is the extension on the upside? Type 1. Price trading above 0.68. More bulls are trying to dominate. Price trading around and above 1 level. Fresh bulls are invited. Price came to this 0.681 levels, taking support. One more attempt for downside, one more rejection, one more attempt, one more rejection, one more attempt, one more rejection. Slowly, steadily price moving up. This is where it's very important to understand what is the reaction. Extension is on the upside. Whether bulls are coming as per type 1 above 1 or above 0.618. They are trying multiple time taking support. Clue are very clear for reversal. But we have to be smart to also see this is previous day's high. Price struggling to trade below previous day's high. Anywhere above price mode trading around and above previous day's high means trying to take a support, failing to come down, bulls. Multiple support taken here, bulls. Slowly reversal. Clarity is there. It's not about catching all the move. So, यहाँ पे price came down, what can we do? Price moving up, what can we do? Problem. Don't waste your time trying to capture all the move. What if you have seen this green candle, excited may take a bullish trade, game over. Excited may take a red candle falling down, sir, bearish trade, game over, reversal. Be smart, don't chase the candle. Chasing candle is probably the worst habit of a normal retail trader. Be smart, don't do the same normal retail traders mistake.